Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the ECOVACS DEEBOT N20e Plus robot vacuum and mop, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the ECOVACS DEEBOT N20e Plus, featuring 10,000 pascals strong suction, self-emptying bagless base, and Tangle-Free roller for pet hair. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver ultimate cleaning performance. The N20e Plus boasts a bagless, self-emptying base that eliminates the need for recurring purchases of disposal bags. The patented Tangle-Free roller prevents pet hair and long human hair from wrapping around it, ensuring consistent and powerful cleaning performance. This robot vacuum features quick smart mapping and full app control, allowing you to set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and start cleaning with just a tap. The marathon 300-minute runtime ensures whole home coverage without needing to pause. The N20e Plus comes with Alexa compatibility, making it easy to integrate into your smart home. The advanced laser navigation ensures accurate mapping and navigation, avoiding obstacles and finding its way back to the charging dock. With its advanced features and powerful suction, the ECOVACS DEEBOT N20e Plus is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The ECOVACS DEEBOT N20e Plus is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the ECOVACS DEEBOT N20e Plus.